everyone, and welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief video series explaining features and functions of Business Central and related products. In this video, we're going to take a look at assembly orders and specifically the make-to-stock assembly order. Typically, your assembly orders are used for kitting processes or very simplified production. On your sales order, your kit number or your assembly order item number will be what appears. Underneath that, there's included an assembly BOM which lists all of the required components and the usage, but does not include any routings. There are two types of assembly orders: make to stock and make to order. This video is going to focus on the assemble to stock process. So here you can see I've created my item card. This is for a desk and chair kit. And if I scroll down to my replenishment tab, you can see that my replenishment system is set to assembly. Defaults to purchase, but I've changed that to assembly. And if we look over here to the right, we can see our assembly policy is assemble to stock. Essentially what this means is that when I create an assembly order, I'm going to post the assembly order from the actual assembly order, and it's going to post inventory to stock. I can also see that my assembly BOM is yes, and if I drill into it, I can see that I've got my two items here. If I wanted to add a new item, I could just click new, or I could click edit and select and add in a new item. So if I go back to my assembly orders screen, I'm going to actually create a make to stock assembly order just simply by clicking new, and we're going to tell it which item we want. So here we go, and we're going to say we want a quantity of 1. And you can see it updates the quantity to assemble to 1. Now if we scroll down to our assembly order lines, we can see that we have 1 desk and 1 chair with this kit. This is the BOM that we created earlier. So then all I'm going to do is post, and my assembly order has disappeared. So if I go to my posted assembly orders, here I can see here's my assembly order that I just completed, and that's all recorded here. And if I go to my items, here's my item. I can see that I have inventory of 2, and if I drill down into that, I can see that we have our assembly order with a posted quantity of 1 that we just created. Thank you for watching our videos. Click here to follow our channel, or for more great videos, click here.